Good morning, all. Any professional career demands its own roadmap. So, every student should be aware about the scope and opportunities of the professional career they are joining. Any professional career have the job opportunities classified in three ways: government job, private job, or entrepreneurship. If we talk about the context of pharmaceutical profession, I will tell you today the job opportunities in these three sectors so that you can plan in the starting of your professional course that which field you want to go, so that accordingly in fourth year your SOP will be planned in that direction. Starting with production and manufacturing, pharmaceutical industry offer these opportunities where the pharmacist has to supervise the production of various pharmaceutical formulations. Specifically, the pharmaceutical industries have the formulation development sector as well as analytical department, where the pharmacist has to involve himself into testing of various raw materials. Department of Quality Assurance and Quality Control is also there in pharmaceutical industry. If you are really interested in that sector, then develop yourself in the quality assurance. Research and development, it's ideally involved in product development in pharmaceutical industries. A pharmacist pursuing his B Pharm can go in the various sectors, but the major sectors are there in marketing and sales also. A marketing and sales is a major field where the pharmacist can work. So if you want to be a person of marketing, then develop your communication skills and develop your knowledge about the product in pharmacist, so that after 4 years or after 6 years, you can flourish yourself in the market of pharma competition. Next thing is about the drug regulatory affairs. You can join the sectors in DRA. Pharmaceutical packaging technology is entirely different. A person can associate with them. Then coming to hospitals and community. Hospitals and community offer the job of social service because patient is getting attached to you in these both sectors. In both sectors, you can work completely for patient. Having the knowledge of formulations, product, and then sharing with the patient and satisfying them is very important. So, community pharmacy is widely emerging in India, and we should definitely work combinedly for this sector. Coming to academics, pharmaceutical education, it is rapidly growing because pharmaceutical industries in India are working in the sector. So, there is a continuous requirement of good academicians who can develop good pharmacists. Telling about you the government jobs, you can be a drug inspector, drug controller, scientist in charge, in CSIR, in ICMR you can work. You can be a successful government analyst. You can associate yourself with the regulatory bodies of pharmacy, Pharmacy Council of India, as well as All India Council of Technical Education. You can develop yourself as an entrepreneur in different sectors of retail, wholesale, manufacturing agency, manufacturing unit, or you can start your own plant of pharmaceutical industries. Then after pursuing B Pharm is not a full stop. You can go for higher studies like Masters in Pharmacy, M Pharm, and various other opportunities are also available in abroad. There is a different sectors known as nuclear pharmacy. Nuclear pharmacy applies to the principle and practice of pharmacy, where nuclear chemistry is to produce radioactive drug for diagnosis and therapy of various disorders. So you can definitely go for nuclear pharmacy also, developing your expertise in this field. Pharmacotherapy is also a very important field. Forensic pharmacy, pharmaceutical jurisprudence is also important. Your schedules and acts will help you everywhere in pharmaceutical industries. You can join armed services. You can be a pharma consultant after having an experience of some years. You can be a part of medical transcription and pharmaceutical journalism. These are all fields which are rewarding experiences to many number of pharmacists. You can be a part of Drug Controller Administration. Drug Controller Act provides an establishment of agency to maintain the drug controller agencies. Various advisory agencies which include DTAB, Drug Technical Advisory Board, Drug Consultative Committee to advise the government on technical matter related to Drug and Cosmetic Act. So you can be well versed and you can be associated with these all agencies by having a good knowledge about the forensic pharmacy. You can be a part of analytical agencies where central drug laboratories and state drug laboratories, their main function is to analyze and test the drug and cosmetics sold throughout the country. So this was about the all sectors in pharmaceuticals, but you can be a part of licensing authorities, which is appointed by central government to issue license and import the drug. So dear students, I have told you about very briefly all the opportunities which you can and catch after pursuing your bachelor's in pharmacy or master's in pharmacy. So choose your career path and start working today only, because if you'll work today, you'll get goods tomorrow. And do subscribe our channel of Modern Group of Institute and Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences to let discover yourself and your passion inside. Thank you all.